Hey guys, it's Miss Targonsky and I'm back today with Go Animals Go. Now we've been doing some really awesome work in this book. We've been trying to figure out the tricky words by looking really closely at the first sound and the last sound and looking through the whole word. We've been really putting on our spy glasses and looking at that pattern very closely because we realized that harder books like this try to trick us and try to change things and change the pattern on us. Well, I really want to get to the ending of this book because yes, this book has a surprise ending. Now, we're so good at reading that we're not going to let this surprise ending trick us, right? So I'm going to go through the whole book. We're going to read it. You're going to read it first and then I'm going to read it. You could read it along with me. And then we're going to get to the surprise ending and we're going to see what happens. All right, guys? Now, I want you to say the title with me too. Ready? Go, Animals, Go. Your turn. Go ahead and read. I'll point. The cow is in a car. Oop, don't get tricky. Don't get tricked up, okay? The pig is on a bike. The goat is in a boat. Watch that pattern. The dog is on a train. Your turn. The bird is on skates. There's no A here, guys, so make sure that you're looking at those words very closely. The bird is on skates. Check the picture. The duck is in a plane. The cat is on a horse. Now, the next page is our surprise ending. Oh my goodness. I am going to put a stop sign here because I noticed that our pattern has changed. The words completely changed. Now, stop, check the picture, and look closely at those words. I think I've seen those words before. You know where I think we've seen those words before? Right here. Go, animals, go. It is the title of our book. Let's go back to our surprise ending. Go, animals, go. And if I look at the picture, all of those animals are going. Go, animals, go. a lot of the times you might not know these tricky words. You can always use that skill that we practiced of looking at the first sounds, g. Or if you're trying to figure out animals, you could figure out I know that word, it's a sight word, animals. Animals. I'm looking all the way through. That's something you could do. Or you could try to think, where have I seen those words before? Go, animals, go. I've seen those words on the first page of our book. Go, animals, go. Now, as you can see, a lot of these books have tricky surprise endings like that, but don't let them stop you, okay? Use all of your powers. Try to look very closely at the picture and at the words, and do your best, guys. You got this.